When you use Starlink solar-powered Wi-Fi with Wi-Fi mesh, you can provide the whole area coverage. This is our solution. As we introduced previously, that we have an all-in-one integrated solar system, right? Starlink solar system, and then we have our AC controller embedded solar system now. How we use them is we understand that the Starlink is internet provide let's say internet node, right? But you don't want to have for example, you have a different area, different villages or different neighborhood. You don't want every site to provide a Starlink uplink, but it's not necessary because in rural area coverage, in rural area like a village facility internet providing, uh, we understand that the density of the user is not very high, but the area is very big. So if imagine that every site you have a Starlink antenna there, it will be very expensive, right? So what our strategy is in category, in hub node, you have one Starlink antenna there, and then this Starlink antenna connected with our Starlink solar node hub node, and you have an AC controller embedded, right? Then you have a Wi-Fi AP provide the local coverage. Meanwhile, the Wi-Fi AP has mesh functions. Then it will be very easy to distribute the internet to the different neighborhood. So let's say we have a area 1, area 2, area 3, right? So we can use Wi-Fi mesh to provide a connection of a different neighborhood. Then here, this side is not necessary to have the AC controller and the Starlink antenna there. It's just a pure like a solar Wi-Fi access node. Then we have an AP connected there. Then you know we can provide a whole coverage of the whole region very easily. You don't have to use the cables because you see that Ethernet cable, the weakness is you cannot lay out the Ethernet cable longer than 100 meters, right? But here has Wi-Fi mesh also has a distance issue. So if you really have a networks, it's like the distance from the hub node and to the access node area is very long range. You probably can use a long range P2P or P2MP node, which is the same thing. So that way we can make the access node easier, but the hub node distributes the network. This is the architecture that can be used in Starlink solar-powered Wi-Fi system to provide internet to the rural area coverage.